my videos. Today I'm playing Build a Boat for Treasure. Build a Boat for Treasure is basically where you have to build a boat. You hit this button and then say yes to launch it, or if you don't want to, then you say no. And then it will launch out in the water. And you have to go past these like 8 or 10 different areas. Past these, yeah, and if you make it through all of them, there's a big surprise at the end. And I've never been to the end before, so this might be weird for me. So my friends are gonna join, and I'm just gonna load my boat in slot B. Right there. And then they can join me. Right now I have 46 gold because when I was not recording, I got a lot far away. Well, I casted my boat and I got far out into there. I was almost to the finish line, but I failed. So my friends' names are Unknown Error. I don't know that name. And OJT Sweet 9821. I'm just waiting for them. And guys, I'm gonna end this video once I get past the first stage. Sorry, you might be able to hear people in the background. I'm waiting for them, right? Okay, so OJT Sweet joined. Olivia, join Team Red. Okay. Okay, so my sister just spawned right there.
So, Rachel, I have to leave game real quick and add.
No! I'm gonna launch my boat.
Okay, whatever. Wait.
Better catch up. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna end the video now.
Why?
Sorry.